Good day. Today I want to speak to you about a key player in South Africa's financial landscape, the FSCA, or Financial Sector Conduct Authority. You might not hear about it every day, but it plays a critical role in protecting clients like you and me in the financial system. The FSCA was officially launched in 2018, replacing the old Financial Services Board. Its main purpose is to regulate market conduct, in other words, to oversee how financial institutions behave when dealing with clients. This includes banks, insurers, investment firms, pension funds, and financial advisors. So what exactly does the FSCA do? Firstly, it ensures that financial institutions treat clients fairly. This is often called the treating customers fairly approach. It means that companies must offer products and advice that suit your needs, not just their bottom line. Secondly, the FSCA works to improve transparency in the financial industry. That means clients should be given clear, honest information about products, including risks, fees, and terms, so they can make an informed decision. Thirdly, it actively monitors the market for unethical or illegal practices, such as fraud, mis-selling, or manipulation. And when misconduct happens, the FSCA can take enforcement action, including fines, suspensions, or even criminal referrals. Lastly, it also focuses on financial literacy. The FSCA works to educate South Africans about their rights, responsibilities, and how to navigate the often complex world of finance. So why is all of this so important for clients? Because the financial sector, while full of opportunities, also carries risks. As a client, you place your trust, your money, and often your future in the hands of financial institutions. The FSCA's role is to make sure that trust is earned and protected. With strong oversight, you can have more confidence that your interests come first, that you are not being misled or overcharged, and that the companies you deal with are held to a high standard of ethical behavior. In short, the FSCA helps ensure that the financial sector works for the people, not just the institutions. Thank you.